Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of a channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to write an opinion based essay in which we are supposed to discuss both the given views. First, let us have a look at the question. The question goes like this. Some people work for the same organization all their working life. Others think that it is better to work for different organizations. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion. Always remember, you must first draft the essay plan before you write an essay. In the 40 minutes given for your task 2, utilize the first 25 minutes to write the essay plan and then the next 10 minutes to write the essay and the last 5 minutes to check your work. The four components of this essay are introduction, body para 1, body para 2 and the conclusion. Again, the introduction has two parts. The first component is thesis statement. In the thesis statement, you must paraphrase the given question, and the second component is the outline. You must mention what you are going to write in the essay. Here, I am mentioning it as both the views will be critic in this essay. Next, we will be moving on to the body para 1. Every body para must contain three components, the main point, sub-points and an example to support them. In the first paragraph, we will be discussing about why a person must stay in the same organization. The main point which I am going to mention is a person can gain a thorough knowledge. The supporting sub-points are that a person can receive awards, recognition, and promotion, and the quality of life improves. Finally, you must support these points with an example. A professor working in the same organization is given more importance when there is a decision to choose who should be a part of the bigger research project. Next is the body para 2. Again, even in this body para, you must have a main point, two sub-points and an example supporting these points. In this body paragraph, we will be discussing why a person must shift organizations during his work lifetime. The main point which I am going to discuss is the person can acquire a diverse experience, and so the sub-points related to this main point are the person can become an all-rounder worker, and every time when he shifts a job, he can actually demand for higher wages. Now, moving on to the example, a software developer knowing different programming language is preferred. Finally, moving on to the conclusion, we must summarize both the body paragraphs and at last we must mention our opinion, that is, which view I would prefer. According to me, I would prefer a person must not stay in the same organization and it's better to shift. Now, let's start writing the fair draft. It is true that some people are comfortably settled in their workspace and refuse to switch organizations. However, others consider shifting companies provide job attainment. Both these views will be critiqued in this essay. First of all, if a person works in a place for a long time, he will gain a thorough professional knowledge and thereby can be termed as the most knowledgeable employee within the company. Consequently, this person is more likely for awards, recognitions, promotions, perks, and increment. Finally, leading them to improve their quality of life. For example, a professor working for the same university and getting involved in similar researches would be preferred for bigger research works than those professors who have worked for many organizations in different positions.